Hi, 8th grade. Today during conferencing block, we're going to work on solving equations. So looking at this first example, what are some things you notice about this equation? If we look on both sides are as simplified as they can get. We can't combine any like terms, we can't distribute anything. So that means we can start solving our equation. What else do you notice? We have x's on both sides of the equation. When we get to our solution, we only want to have x on one side of our equal sign. So in order to get it so that x is only on one side of our equal sign, what do I need to do? I need to combine my x's, and I can do that by moving the smaller group of x's. So I'll subtract 2x, subtract 2x. Whatever you do to the one side, you need to do to the other. And because we're doing 2x, we want to take it from the 5x because we want to use our like terms. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. Then we need to bring down our plus 3 equals 2x minus 2x becomes 0, and we're just left with positive 15. So now I have 3x plus 3 equals 15. I'm still trying to get what by itself? Still trying to get x by itself, so I need to get rid of my 3 that's next to it. Whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. I'm left with 3x. This becomes 0 equals 12. Last step, I need to get rid of this 3. What operation are we doing here? Multiplication. So to undo multiplication, I will divide. This becomes 1x, so 1x, or just x, equals 4. So my solution is x equals 4. For our next example, again, we have simplified sides, but we have x on both sides. Which x do I want to move? Do I want to move my minus 3x or my 2x? I want to move my minus 3x because negative 3x is smaller. So I'll add 3x to both sides, because we want to undo the minus. Minus 3x plus 3x becomes 0. So I'm just left with 20 equals 5x plus 5. I'm still trying to get my x by itself, so I can subtract 5 on both sides. I'm left with 15 equals 5x, and this has become 0. Last step, I'm trying to get x by itself, so I can divide by 5. I'll end up with 3 equals x, which is the same as x equals 3. And one last one. Again, we have x on both sides. Is there anything we can simplify on either side of the equation? No, so we just need to combine our x's. So if we look, do we want to move our minus 12x or our minus 10x? Minus 12x is smaller, so that one will be the easier one to move. You can actually move either one, but adding 12x will be smaller. So we're going to add 12x to both sides of the equation. So whatever you do to one side, you need to do to the other. This cancels out, becomes 0. We're just left with 4. And on this side, we're left with 10. And we have minus 10 plus 12. So negative 10 plus 12 is what? Positive 2, so plus 2. And don't forget your x. So I have 4 equals 10 plus 2x. I'm still trying to get this x by itself, so I want to get rid of everything around it. I'll subtract 10 on both sides to get rid of that 10. And now I have 4 minus 10, which is the same as 4 plus negative 10. What's 4 plus negative 10? Negative 6 equals, and over here we're just left with 2x. Last step is you can divide by 2. You'll end up with negative 3 equals x. Go ahead and try the rest of the problems on this paper independently. Good luck.